to Fallout 76. This is Jim. On the scoreboard, there is a new backpack skin that we can claim. Let's check that out. It's all the way over here. It's at level 81, and it's Skippy's backpack. So Skippy is a fellow in the White Spring Resort. So let's claim that first. Rare reward, pretty cool. So you have to make sure you claim it. You go to your armor workbench. You make sure that you have a backpack first of all, because if you don't have a backpack, it's not going to work. Because this is just a skin. It's not a natural backpack. It's just a skin for the backpack that you own already. We'll do this again. Modify, repair, not craft. Go down to my backpack. Go over to the mod. There we go. Skippy's tool bag backpack. Pretty sharp. Pretty sharp, I like that. Pretty neat. Two plastic and cloth. Let's see what this looks like. There you go. Minus the jetpack, of course. Let's take that off and see what we look like without the jetpack on. Armor. Take that off for a second. There you go. Everything we can see the backpack a little bit better. So Skippy's tool backpack. Pretty sharp. Little toolbox. Lunch pail. Looks like there's a little jug of, water or I guess whatever you want to put in it. Not too sure what that other thing is though. It could be like a battery pack maybe. But some sort of weapon. Side looks like a pair of clamps or whatever. Pretty sharp. Has a nice kind of reddish frame to it, holding it all together. And this doesn't actually go that bad with this outfit, Wasteland Wanderer's outfit that I have on. Looks pretty sharp. What do you guys think of the Skippy's tool bag backpack skin? Pretty cool, eh? I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share when you have the chance because it helps me out. And I hope you all have a nice day.